Hello friends, today I'm going to be making a melt and pour soap. I'm making this for my daughter. She's a teenager. She wants something in a loofah, so I'm going to be using this. And she didn't let me know in advance that her soap was over. She just told me this morning that she's out of soap. So melt and pour I felt was the best option for her. I did start making my soaps with melt and pour because in the start I was not comfortable with lye, but now I've switched from melt and pour to making cold process soap. But this one is going to be a melt and pour, and I am not going to be wearing gloves because I'm doing it for my daughter. I'm not going to be selling this. The ingredients that I'm going to be using is neem. So this is neem powder and wild turmeric powder. Since she's a teenager, it is possible that she gets acne and things like that. She doesn't have any as of now, but just to be on the safe side, and neem and wild turmeric are good antiseptics, and they help in preventing acne and breakouts. So I will show you all the process that I do to make the soap. So the melt and pour base that I'm going to be using is baby buttermilk. It's a detergent free soap, and I think I got this from Hobby Lobby, not very sure. So it's just a little bit left. I really don't have much of it left, but I'll still be weighing out because what I'm going to be using is Nature's Garden mango fragrance because she likes mangoes. So I'm going to be seeing how much the soap is, and then we'll go forward from there. I'll be using all the soap that is remaining, and I will be melting it down in the microwave at 30-second bursts. So what I have is 103 grams of melt and pour base. So we'll go on from there. Let me melt this down and bring you all back. So I'll be putting this in the microwave for 30-second burst till it's all melted down. I have this whole thing melted down. To this I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of the neem powder, too many additives are not needed in melt and pour, so it's just half a teaspoon of neem and half a teaspoon of the wild turmeric powder. Wild turmeric is better for skin, it doesn't stain. You can make it into a pack, you can use it for your skin as a pack. I put it in soaps. Just mix this completely. I don't want to mix it too much because I don't want to incorporate too much air in this. So I'll just keep the mixing to a minimum. I'm not adding any extra oils to this. You can add if you want, but as of now I don't think she needs any extra oils. But again, you have to keep your oils to the minimum because otherwise your soap will not lather, it will lose the lather. So I prefer to not add anything. All I'll be adding to this would be the fragrance oil. So I'll be adding around 5 grams of the Nature's Garden mango fragrance. Added the fragrance, now just mix. This is what it looks like. And the difficult part is having the loofah sit in the mold. So let me see. Just spray this with some 99% rubbing alcohol. Spray the mold. I'll try to push this in as much as I can and hold this up, and then I'll try to try to see that the soap gets into every part of the loofah. So that way the soap lasts for a longer time. Okay, so we let this be, let it harden up. I will get you all back when I'm unmolding this, and I'll show you all how it looks. So we are back to unmold this loofah soap that we made with melt and pour. And that's what it is. So we have this as soap, and there's a loofah which is also having soap on it. So that makes a fantastic little loofah soap. Smells awesome. I will leave this here My daughter can use this this evening when she's taking her bath, so that's fine. If you like to see videos like these, if you like the video, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe to the channel, you can share, you can leave your comments below, you can also purchase things from my Etsy shop or my website, for which I will leave links below. You can always visit it and see what is there on it. And that's it for the video today. I will be back with you all with the next video. See you all soon. Bye.